Guys, let's check out some stock levels here. QQQ today basically stumbled around 609, pulling back, but it is making higher highs. We know looking into this, we are trading in this direction. So we need to be cautious. We are trading in this range of 588 up to 630. Let's wait and see. We know we have NVIDIA coming up soon. So let's keep that on watch. Moving over to the SPY. Same principle story. You're trading in this zone. We need direction. We're trading from 670 up to 700. Still waiting for direction. And what would you know? SMH is retesting highs potentially with NVIDIA earnings coming up around $421. We're going to watch that. Stocks that I'm going to be watching are going to be NVIDIA. We want to be watching this level here. We need to see at 193, do we break above this resistance zone or do we continue to reject? If you look at the 6-month chart, this is a massive level of rejection at 195, 195, 195, 195. Continue to watch that as we go. I want you to pay attention to a few other things. Watching silver, take a look at silver. We are potentially making a new low here. If we can break and make a new low here, that'd be fantastic. We are able to short this then. This is what I would be looking into here. If you pull back here, you can get puts. If you break 65, retest, push lower, be keeping an eye on that. I also would be paying attention to Netflix. It is starting. I thought it was just a bear flag that was forming. It looks like it's starting to break out of this pattern a little bit. But right now it is trading on this trend line, a very tight trend line. Got to check out the volume on that to make sure. But it's got to get above this $80 per share. Moving forward, we already discussed this, but I just want to bring it up if you haven't seen it on the members channel. But looking here on UNH, look for your rejection points around $304. If UNH does get a pop, 300 to 305 is a level that I will be watching potentially for that rejection zone. If you're looking for support areas, you can see right here down at 280 is where I'd be looking for this as well for that pop up. Moving forward, AVGO is trending in this downwards channel. It's got to get out of this. I think it's really got to get above 350 for something to be taken as a long position. I just want to put a little area on it so we can see for you guys. $350 is basically the line in the sand if we're going to get out of this trend. And when you look at it, it is rejecting. So let's give it time, see how it plays out. Definitely something to watch. If you're looking for something different, you have A-Lab. A-Lab for me is setting up as a short position. What you need is this could fake people out. A-Lab just did go from basically 193 all the way down to 117. But if you are looking at this, you have a potential move back into 140, consolidation and then rejection. That is definitely a possibility when it comes to A-Lab. You can see it clearer here. You've had multiple touch points here. 1, 2, 3 support areas. It broke through. It's most likely if we have more downside pressure, I'd be looking into this for a downwards move. Also Ethereum, guys, I keep adding on this position. I'm going to continue building Ethereum for now. I think we may go lower. It does look like a bear flag is potentially forming on this, like we were saying, but this is something that you need to keep an eye on. I'm going to accumulate shares as we go. When I look at the 1-year chart, I just can't help but buy this. I mean, I'm looking at it from 4,900 all the way down here, down 62%. I want to buy crypto when it's on sale, but I wouldn't be surprised if we head down to about $1,400 per share. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments.